There is so much we can do together. So much we can achieve together.
Cut! First of all, I want you to remove this sister of a thing. She is not your sister. She is your girlfriend, for God's sake. Is anything the problem?
I'm sorry.
I need you to be believable. I want to see the chemistry.
Bro Mike, chemistry. Bro Mike does not have a chemistry. He has a ministry.
Silence! Action. Oh, wait. Do you have a ring?
No, I don't.
You need to propose with a ring.
Oh my God. This is prophetic.
Here's mine. So, action.
Sister Abigail.
Sister who?
I'm sorry. Abigail. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. There is so much we can do together. So much we can achieve together. Please. I want you to...
Cut! You kneel down to propose.
Man of God. Kneel. Propose now.
How did you propose to your girlfriend?
Girlfriend? Bro Mike? Bro Mike does not see a woman. All he sees is vision. If you want him to act like the Holy Spirit, he would do it perfectly well, or an old man. But a lover boy, madam, you are asking the man of God to push a mountain.
Silence! Get out of my studio.
I was only trying to...
Leave now!
Bro Mike, now you're fighting, they fight too.
Now, let's do this over again. Action!
Sister Abigail. Abigail, I want to spend the rest of my life with you. There is so much we can do together. So much we can achieve together. Please, I want you to marry me.
I will, Alfred.
Cut!
Did he propose? Yeah! He proposed! A man of God, wow!